most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the holiday.
YouTube.
C'est la motion qui est sécurité.
Say hi.
Il y a des mecs sous qui 90 000 pour la marche. Et il y a moi, nous te regardons ça, nous te voyons gentil élément. Il était de loin. Qui dit mon balle, il m'a président. Et président entouré avec comme. Il y a des mecs qui n'ont pas bien campé. Mais la Bible dit si la qui campé, Israël a bien campé. La cherche l'eau, il va pas jouer nous à cause de santé qui coule. On n'a pas l'eau. Et le verbe dit béni soit l'Éternel. Béni soit l'Éternel. Vous regardez si yo a. Les bons et ça qui attire l'attention. Monsieur Pasteur. Yo quand vous voyez
Say hey.
Frappez à l'esprit. Mais bon, tu vas pas la permission de faire.
One place you can always find me at is at Walmart. Why am I always here? I practically live here. But this time, I only came for one thing. So, I'm proud of myself. They changed up Walmart so much. It looks busier because they remove all those self-checkouts. They got the people back up checking out. It's just terrible. I don't know who came up with this system. But then now it looks like a mall also. This is the reason why I like to reverse park, because these people at Walmart, they don't know how to park. And the lady see me backing out and she wanna back out at the same time with me, and she sees me backing out and I'm like, you're way too close to me. Like, you're never supposed to be that close to me. Anyways, the girl behind me was at Walmart. She was like on my butt. Like, she could have touched my butt. She could have licked my ear. She was so close to me. Like, you gotta give people 6 feet. Like, give me 6 feet. I can't stand people who, like, you saw me. It is also busy at Dollar Tree. I'm here to get my mom a calendar. I don't see a calendar. Well, I saw a calendar, but they should have more calendars. Do you see a calendar? Because I don't see a calendar. I see this calendar, but they're supposed to have more calendars. Look at this calendar. Oh, there were the calendars. Not me eavesdropping. Let me stop before I get in trouble. If I get my behind wood. Okay, got the calendar. She's like it. I have, look, I don't know what calendar she want, because I have something like this. She gonna get a basic calendar, okay? Get me something for me. Girl, her drama sounded juicy. Her baby daddy. I don't like chocolate, but this is really good. It's like minty. I like minty chocolate. Should I get it? I shouldn't get it. Try to be good. Okay. Don't get it. Because if you get it, you gotta eat it. This is so good. I'm gonna get this one. Oops, sorry. I just got home. I'm so hungry. Like, my stomach has like so much gas in it. It needs to be relieved. But yeah, I'm about to eat. My mom got me some food. Or she brought, like, not purchased, like she got food. Okay, we have food. I'm gonna eat that and then get ready for church in about like an hour or so. Church is over. It's like almost midnight. I'm watching Real Housewives of Potomac, okay? And I'm gonna close out the vlog here. The lighting's not the best, but it's okay. I don't even think this thing works. Is there a light bulb? There is a light bulb. It's not on. Okay. Close out the vlog here, okay? I'm just posting when I could post, okay? This point, because everything starts for me after, and none of my things want to work properly. They don't want to upload. They don't want me to, like, nothing is working for me. Nothing is working for me, but I'm determined to make it through. So yeah, we got some fun stuff coming up. We're gonna try to create some fun stuff. So yeah, stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed, give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more of me in your timeline, subscribe to your girl. And like I always say, put God first and you will never be last. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Under the mistletoe